Hi guys, today we're in a new video. As you might see, we're playing Airplane Story. I should go in. I should go in. Uh-oh, you guys. Sorry for the late, but uh, hi guys, we're back now, and we're in a plane. I ate. Oh, wow! I just happily spawned here. I don't want to eat the thing. Okay, seems we're like in a nice fight. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 1171. Oh, I got a badge. We are currently flying at altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. Okay, feel free to explore the plane. Okay, hold up. Oh no. Wow, look. Restrooms. Oh, I will sit here. Right. Wait, costs Robux. It costs Robux. Oh, scissors. Now, please find your seat as we are about to. What the? Oh, right here. Oh, yes. It's just the 5 of us. Why is it so empty? If there's food poisoning in this plane, I will just like, who did this? Oh, I would have died if I didn't sit. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. Everyone, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel to support me. And snakes. And please no hate in the comments. Ooh, yes. Oh, it's laggy. Yeah, sandwich. Yum 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 yum. Are there mayos? Mayo? Mayo is disgusting. Oh, that's so cute. Can I have more? Can I have one? Please. Dot. You guys? I'm not feeling very well. What? No, they. Ew! No. Finally. Open doors. Open the doors. Help me, you guys. Help. Is that Flim Flam? No, that's not Flim Flam. Open those doors. Oh no. Everyone. Open. You guys, I'm going to die, you guys. Hey, help me. I'm quiet. That's mine. Yes, I found it. Yes, you guys. Phew, that was a close one, yeah. I just found it on my own. No one just helped me. Wow. Okay. Good afternoon to all. Did you just not notice we were shouting? Stable altitude. It will be a good time to sit back and relax. Take a nap? What? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Yes. Oh, that was loud. Ow, my ears. Good night. What? If you gladly offer us to first class, Captain. I wish you were dead. That was a long flight, you guys. Oh, come on! Oh, it appears real. What? Energy? Okay. Someone just talked and I forgot. And yeah. Someone is in the... Guys, look what is that on the right wing. I forgot where's the right. Dot, 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 dot. Where's the right wing? I forgot. The hair. You will not. Oh. Are those? What? Snakes? Oh. That was so close. I'll be quiet. Someone's talking. Oh, you guys, this is scary. Why are they going after to me? No, I don't want to be eaten. Someone please help us. Why is there snakes in the plane? Who let this? Who let this happen? Why are you guys in there? Oh, it's right there. Yes. Haha. I'm just going to peacefully poop in here. This bathroom's huge. Oh hi. Are we going to be the last ones? Cause some are we're going to die. Wow. This is so... Yeah, that was a scary... What? 2 of us? You guys! It's just 2 of us. Oh no. Are we going to die? I want those hamburgers right now. Hey, we're back. What happened to those snakes? Power is back up. Yeah, it is. That is Captain Mr. Obvious. And the snakes are gone. Yeah, they are. Thank God. And you guys, this story might be... The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. What? I think it's happy. Your attention, passengers. Okay. We just lost sight of... Yeah, you know. Yeah, the good news. What's the bad news, huh? Huh? Look at those boys. What? Is the only one of us. Click. Jump. Hey, it is just 2 of us. If there was 3 of us, we'll just die anyways. What? This mask will keep you safe until the stabilized the oxygen levels. What? It is. Why is there... I want to touch that telephone. What? What happened? What happened, you guys? I hear you jumping. Oh my God! What is this? What? Can I say? It looks like a bomb? Oh no. Is there... I mean, there's scissors here. So yeah, let's click it. Okay. There's no one here. It's just 2 of us. Calm down. If we find something sharp to cut these cables, we might able to save Hide Kobe Gamer. Let's go. Come on, go. This is so weird. Which cable should I cut? I don't know. Boo? I'm scared. We're going to die. No! It's just me left. Now I'm just going to talk. I'm just going to talk to myself. I wanna go home. We haven't done that. Oh look, these seats. What? There's 6. What happens here in the front? Yeah, I have to go to the front. I mean, wait, this is the front. I'm gonna go to the back. Nothing here. Oh, look. Perfect. What? They dead? They dead. Oh, what happened? It was from... Uh-oh. Oh, hi guys. The audio was... Hi guys, we're back. The audio wasn't connected and my headphones were broken. So yeah. Yeah, something is happening inside. Yeah, they might be in trouble. Let's go. What? A code? Okay. Run, come on. At least there's no seconds because I'm so slow. What code? Where code? Oh, this code? I found the code. Yeah, I found the code. Oh, yes. It's a 193, my username. Oh, yes. Yes, Quinn. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I'm so scared because it's just me. It's the creature. Yeah, it is. Hey, you must die. You will pay for what you've done. What? I just want to go home. No. Oh. Okay. See you in the afterlife. What? No. We found the button, you guys. I have to cut it because it's almost 15 minutes. So yeah. Yes, we saved the plane. Oh yes. Yeah, I'm just going to fly it. Can I fly? Me too. I want to be home. By the way, you're dead, Mr. Captain. Everyone's dead. It's just 3 people working here. That is so, like, you know. Oh, okay. It's just right over here. I saw a red big thing. Yeah, a red big thing. Hey you guys, I am selected because I'm just the only one. Oh yes. Hi. Okay everyone, I got this. Yeah, I got this. Oh yeah. Oh. Passenger. Oh no. It is back. Oh no. I hate you. It's just me. How are you still alive, Dreamfan 193? You didn't kill me. I killed all of your friends. Yeah, that is so true, you guys. That is so true. But there is something you should know about you. Oh. Your energy does not let me kill you. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I'm not dumb. Yeah, I'm not going with you. I am the chosen. Yeah, I am the chosen one. I didn't die, you guys. I will come back for you. Okay. I can't believe I was the only survivor. Yeah, I was the only survivor. Oh, you guys! Victory! You guys, I got the victory ending. I don't know. That was so cool. Hi guys, now we're back. So leave a like and subscribe, and we might go to a airplane too. Bye.